In 2026, the gap between people who feel stressed about money and people who feel in control, 1 TB income. It will be systems, and one system is quietly changing everything. AI. Most people still manage money the same way they did 20 years ago. Manual budgeting, guessing expenses, reacting to bills instead of planning for them. AI is not magic. It doesn't replace your brain. It replaces the constant thinking that drains your energy. AI budgeting tools don't ask you to remember everything. They watch patterns. They categorize expenses. They show you where money quietly disappears. Most people fail at saving because they rely on motivation. AI removes motivation from the equation. AI doesn't make you rich overnight. It makes you consistent over years, and consistency beats intelligence. AI helps decisions. It doesn't remove responsibility. Late fees don't come from laziness. They come from mental overload. In 2026, winners won't be smarter. They'll be supported by systems. Losers won't be lazy. They'll be overwhelmed. You don't need 5 apps. You need one system, then build slowly. AI won't replace people, but people who use AI will quietly replace those who don't. Financially. If this video helped you think differently about money, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs less stress, not more income.